Good morning, trading world. It is December 27, 2022, 8:38 a.m. on the East Coast, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the markets. First, let me start off by wishing and hoping that everyone had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We had good times. I know it's been, especially here in the South, weather has been very, very frigid. So I hope everyone was able to stay safe during that time. Before I get into today's outlook, I would like to see who would like to participate in giving me some feedback. I have been requested to do a lot, from mentoring to lessons on chart reading and money management. In the coming weeks, I would like to ask some questions and have you make suggestions on how to best help the people who read and watch these outlooks, and to make it easier for me to present certain updates and lessons. So if you would like to volunteer, please, if you're a Redditor, please DM me your email. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go to the About section on my page and you can locate the email so that you can send me your email, so that when I put together the questionnaire and I'm able to collect feedback, I can send it to you and we can kind of go from there. So I can kind of listen to suggestions and you can kind of get an idea of what I have planned coming for the new year in 2023. So that would be very much appreciated. Again, if you would like to participate, please DM me your email, and you can do that on YouTube by going to the About section on my page, and my email is located there. Getting into today's outlook. The outlook for the last trading week of the year is, or has, a 50-50 bias from the Quant standpoint, but technically has a bullish bias of closing above 382.91. Today looks to me like a pullback is afoot, but once we find support, the algos will probably keep us in a bullish mode the rest of the week. Going to keep it pretty much simple here. So let's get into the key levels of the day. Let me bring those up right now. All right, and here we are with the key levels of the day. Starting on the support side, our jack support is going to be the 384 to the 383 area. Queen support is going to be 382 to the 381 area. This is going to be really important, whether we hold or break below. And then our king support is going to be the 380 all the way down to the 376 area. On the resistance side, our jack resistance is going to be the 385 to the 386 area. Queen resistance is going to be the 387 to the 388 area. And then king resistance is going to be 389 to the 393 area. The main thesis for today is bullish, closing above the 382.91 with a projected target high of between 383 and 393. The alternate thesis is bearish, closing below the 382.91 with a projected target low of between 382 and 374. I'd also like to say, be prepared to see a good bit of both sides of the thesis today. We should get a pullback that should take us to lower levels of support somewhere between that 382 down to maybe 379 and maybe a little below. That's what I want to watch today, is where that support forms, and then we could reverse and pretty much take off to the bullish side. If not today, probably most definitely going into Wednesday. So this is what I'm looking to happen. The current major channel we are in spans from 397 all the way down to that 379. The major channel below is 379 down to 364. We have somewhat of a distance between the technical side, which is bullish, and the quant side, which is pretty much 50-50. Market strength and breadth closed near highs on Friday, which could lead to some weakness for a little while today. But strength and breadth will pick up later in the day, definitely going into Wednesday. Not posting a scenario today, but if you've been following me for a while, this may make sense to you. I expect an expanded range day with a bullish twist or bias at the end. We've done so much, we've pushed up in pre-market hours. I'm beginning to wonder whether I have it backwards, whether we start up and then sink the rest of the day and kind of come back around maybe a little, or sink down and we have a strong kind of bullish reversal at some point today. So that's kind of what I'm waiting to see or looking for. The way that would look is I'm looking to see something like this. And actually what I need to do as a point of reference, I need to put up the previous close. The previous close was 382.91, so that's going to be somewhere around here. Alright, that's our reference for the previous close, the blue line. And so what I'm looking to happen is our expanded range day structure, and what's yet to be seen is where we actually find support. Whether we're going to reverse later in the day and kind of come back up, or whether we just kind of continue this day down here somewhere. and then begin the reversal after hours. So those are my thoughts on the day. That's what I look to happen. As always, your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital that you already have, and we do that by knowing and understanding the risk that we have on in each position, and we manage that risk in accordance to our account size. I hope this helps. Wishing you a positive trading day. Let's go out and make it a great one.